I honestly believe I have one of the best setups that anyone could do. Not maybe the best setup for a pig pen in general, but a best setup for a pig pen that anybody can do. That's a big deal. What's up, everybody? You got to see the little pigs taking a bath. I was filling up their water right there. They absolutely love the water hose and how they can just run right through it. You guys seen them playing in it. But today I'm going to make a video. I believe I've made the perfect, can you say urban? Could you say it's an urban pig pen? Just a pig pen in general for people that have small areas of land to raise pigs. I have a lot of area of land to raise them if I wanted to, but I choose to do it this way so I can show my audience that you don't have to have a lot of land. All you need is a little bit patch. This is like a 35 by 15 foot radius for a pen, and I think it's the ultimate one. But there's one thing that I forgot to do, and I was meaning to do it on this pen, and it has to do with my automatic feeder. Now I have an automatic feeder up here, and I knew this was going to happen, and it was just a matter of time till it did happen. Well, they had knocked that over. They knocked my automatic feeder over, and it was all over the place. And the reason why they did that is because I only got strapped to one T-post. So I'm going to show you guys strap it to another T-post. I'm going to fill up their feed. Let's make sure they didn't break that lid. I'm going to fill up their feed, and they're going to be good to go for about 5 days. So that 50-pound bag's lasting about 5 days now. We'll check their water. We'll do that. Main thing is, it's so hot here in Oklahoma. I need to get some water out here in this so they can cool off in the shade with the shade cloth that I got off Amazon, and the water down here, the mud. They need the mud. They need the shade, because pigs do not sweat. I don't know if you knew that or not. If you didn't know that, I just taught you all something. But they don't sweat, so they have to have shade. They have to have mud. It protects their skin from sunburn. Very, very important. But first, before I fix that, oh, I have a mess back here. I bought some feed for my steer. My steer's gone now, and my wife took my truck to our cousin's house, and they had some horses, and the horses sniffed out the bags of feed and started eating it. Well, then it rained, so I got a mess. I got flies, probably got some maggots in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give this to the pigs. It's about 100 pounds of feed. So I'm going to throw this right directly onto the ground. They'll eat that, but I'm also going to fill up their feeder here in a little bit. They'll have plenty of feed, so it's going to last them a little bit. But instead of just letting this go to waste, I will give it to my pigs. They will destroy it, and they will love it. I'll show you guys shoveling all that out, and then I'll show you guys, let's hook up this automatic feeder up right. That way they can't destroy it again. The feeders aren't cheap. I think that's about $110. Got it from a local feed store. You can get them on Amazon for about the same price. Anything in here, if you guys are interested, and I'll try to find links put down below. Don't forget the Premier1 fencing. Joe from Premier1 hooked me up with this fencing to do this test for him and his company to see if I could show you all how to raise these pigs in a small area. And so far, so good. They have not got out once, cross my fingers. The chargers have withheld everything, storms, tornadoes, everything. Not direct hit from a tornado, obviously, but high winds and all that. This Premier1 fencing is the real deal. Premier1 fencing, hog netting. I'll put a link down below. You guys to check it out. Okay, you can see they got a pile of steer feed on the ground for them, but that's going to be pig feed now. Look at that. These pigs are healthy and doing great. That one's hernia, we may need to address that soon. It's not bulging out that bad, but it could get worse. That might be something we address soon. But I'm going to show you putting a T-post on here, fixing this feeder so they don't knock it over again and break it and cost me money and time, and we don't want them things going hungry. I got dark on us. Okay, so I'm not gonna say this is 100% pig proof. I'm gonna say it's about 95% pig proof. I do not envision them knocking this over, but if any animal out there is capable of doing destruction on anything you own, it would be the pigs. So I got it set up. That should not be going anywhere. You can see it's just an automatic feeder. They can get in there and get all the feed out. This might be a little tight getting in there. But so far so good with these pigs. No complaints whatsoever with any of the setup I got. If I had any situation with this setup, I would tell you guys, because I want you guys to do the same thing. I want you guys to be more self-reliant. I want you all to raise your own pork, your own bacon for your family. So if I ever come up with any issues, I'm not going to hide it from you guys. I'm going to show you, hey, this fencing sucks, that water sucks, that shade cloth's trash. I would let you know. There's no doubt about it, because I don't want you guys going out there and doing the same setup and not working for you. That's my whole goal, is to be able to show you guys you could do this too, and it doesn't cost you a whole lot of money. It's very, very simple to set up. It took me like 10-15 minutes to put this setup together, and it's all you need. All you need. I loved automatic systems because it's just less work for me, and I got so much stuff going on. The less work, the better. Just like you guys are busy too. So if you can do something to make your life easier raising these animals, I probably thought of it. I've probably done it. If I haven't, please tell me down in the comment section below, because I need it. If it's easier and makes less work for me, I want to know about it. They love it. I'm telling you, they're like garbage disposals, there's no doubt about it. The only thing I found that they will pick through first is peppers. They don't eat a lot of peppers unless that's the only choice they got. They will eat them, but they try to stay away from them as much as possible. I'm gonna go ahead and check this water, and if it's not topped off, I'm gonna top it off. Make sure everything's topped off for the week, for the long work week. You guys didn't know, I do have a full-time job. I do not do YouTube full-time, and that'd be kind of cool if I did. I know there's a lot of people I watch out there, and everyone's always like, how do they got so much time to do this stuff? A lot of them full-time YouTubers. Me and Orange Family Homestead, we both work full-time jobs, and it's hard sometimes to get videos out for you guys. But I do know what keeps me going is I know you guys appreciate them. You guys find them entertaining and somewhat educational. So I'll keep doing them as long as you guys keep watching. Oh, they're just going town on it. All right, let's fill this water up. All right, y'all, that's all I got for you this time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said earlier, hope it is educational somewhat about the whole setup I got. I honestly believe I have one of the best setups that anyone could do. Not maybe the best setup for a pig pen in general, but a best setup for a pig pen that anybody can do. That's a big deal. If I can come out here and do this, anybody can. I'm telling you, you can do it by yourself. You don't have to have people helping you. This is something that is a do-it-yourself, one person. And the pigs are happier than could be. I could honestly probably raise 2 more pigs in this setup right here, and they would be just fine. Pigs do not need a big setup. This is all they need. That's all they need. I could probably cut this in half and have 3 of them and be just fine, I'm telling you. So if you're able to do this, you can raise your own food. You can be more self-reliant. You don't have things go south. You know you'll have food on the table for your family and kids, and that's one of the main reasons why we practice what we practice out here on Keeping It Dutch Homestead. We try to raise as much food here as possible. We don't raise all our food, obviously, but we raise a lot of it, and I wouldn't have it any other way. Y'all, thank you so much for watching the channel. If you like this video, don't forget, like always, smash that like button. That helps so much when you guys give me a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. Helps the channel a lot. And if you guys are not subscribed, please subscribe right down there. You guys, you know I appreciate every one of y'all that watch me and subscribe to me. I mean, it's an awesome journey. You guys a lot of y'all been following me for years, and thank you so much. Even if you're here today, if you just now subscribe, I thank you. Thank you very much. You guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.